Is Udemy actually worth it, or is it just overhyped? Here's my honest review. If you're expecting Udemy to magically get you a job, build a business, or turn you into an expert overnight, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you're looking for a fast, affordable way to learn practical skills that you can apply in the real world, Udemy is still one of the best platforms available in 2026. The biggest strength of Udemy is practicality. Most courses are designed to help you learn specific skills quickly, whether that's ChatGPT, AI, Python, data science, digital marketing, AWS, cybersecurity, web development, copywriting, project management, or business strategy. Udemy focuses heavily on in-demand skills and career development. What I like is that you don't need to commit to an expensive degree or lengthy program. You can learn exactly what you need when you need it. For freelancers, bloggers, agency owners, e-commerce sellers, SaaS founders, students, and professionals, that's often a huge advantage. Now for the downside. Not every course is amazing. Since courses are created by individual instructors, quality can vary. Some courses are exceptional, while others may feel outdated or less comprehensive. That's why checking ratings, reviews, instructor reputation, and course update history is important before buying. Another thing worth mentioning is that Udemy works best for self-motivated learners. The platform gives you the knowledge, but you still have to do the work. Overall, my honest opinion is this. If your goal is learning practical skills at a reasonable price, Udemy offers tremendous value. With hundreds of thousands of courses, millions of learners, and growing demand for AI, cloud, business, and technology skills, it remains one of the strongest online learning platforms available today. And if you're planning to enroll in a course, don't pay full price before checking the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link, available promotions, and current coupon offers that may help you save money on your enrollment. And if you enjoy finding honest software reviews, online course deals, coupon codes, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.